No matter how hard we try, making mistakes is an unavoidable part of being human. We can feel like there are two choices: sweep it under the rug or apologize. Apologizing can feel way too scary and risky. We might worry that an apology will diminish us. But an apology has a tremendous amount of power in it. Learning how to make an effective apology is an important skill that can bring profound healing. There are several ways in which apology is relevant to child welfare. On a large scale, governments can apologize for past atrocities against children and families. Some examples are the United States 2024 apology for the government's role in running Native American boarding schools, Australia's 2008 apology for the forced removal and assimilation of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander children, and Ireland's 1999 apology to victims harmed in the country's institutions for children. In direct work with families, social workers can repair ruptures with clients when a mistake, oversight, or breach has made the client feel unsafe. Rupture repair involves talking about the error directly with the client and taking responsibility for it. And within the family, parents can apologize to their children. When parents apologize, kids are more forgiving and feel more satisfied with their relationship with their parents. Simply saying, "I'm sorry," can be very meaningful to the recipient. However, a few added elements can really bring about deep healing and resolution. So what makes a truly effective apology? What are the secrets to an apology that will resolve resentments, foster forgiveness, cultivate empathy, restore justice, and build the best possible relationships with our clients, our children, and every other human being? Here are some of the hallmarks of a truly effective apology. Taking responsibility without blaming anyone else, even if they had a role to play in it.
This was my fault.
Expressing remorse.
I truly regret that this happened.
Acknowledging that the other person has been hurt.
I see that I hurt you.
Offering and then making concrete repair.
I'll fix the window.
Promising to take steps to make sure it won't happen again, and then taking those steps.
I'll get help.
When you put it all together, here is what an effective apology sounds like.
I've been thinking about when I yelled at you in front of your friends. I'm so sorry. I don't want to be this way. I could see that I hurt you. I was stressed about work, but that's my issue to manage, not yours. My stress doesn't give me the right to treat you that way. I'm committed to doing better. When I'm frustrated, I'll take a moment before responding. And if I need to address something with you, I'll do it privately and respectfully. What else can I do to make this right?
Apologizing can feel like the last thing we want to do. But learning the skills of effective apology plays a vital and essential role in our lives. It gives us a superpower to heal relationships and relieve the suffering of others, and the space to be fully human ourselves.